Hello audience, I hope you all are doing great. So today in this video we are going to discuss about sales and purchase integration related product reservation and selling and purchasing. Let's say so it's about something like some seller selling product and managing using sales order, and let's say if that particular product is not in stock and you want to create like a purchase order manually and confirm and receive this stock in product, and then you will like confirm the sales order. So using like instead of like creating manual purchase order, how we can easily create the purchase order when you don't have particular stock in hand, and when you confirm their purchase order, I mean the sales order, then it will automatically create the purchase order for that product, right? So this is very simple thing, but most of the user like don't know how to configure the routes and all. So we will see this. So first of all we need to install sales and purchase application and inventory. So I have already set up this, and now if we go to inventory configuration, and here I have this kind of routes: replenish on order, buy, right, all this. And I have created one product, let's say, just to identify test sop of product something. And let's say I have this product type as goods, track inventory, and if you go to inventory, here I have selected these two routes, right, because we are buying and replenish on order, right? So currently let's say if I don't have products stock, let's say if I con- cancel this, and let's say if I go to sales order, and if I, you can see I don't have stock. If I go to inventory, I mean the delivery slip, you can see not available because I don't have stock on hand. So this automatically create purchase order, you can see, right? And if I confirm this purchase order, receive this stock, validate, and if I go to sales delivery, you can see it's available. So it will automatically assign stock on this particular delivery slip, and we can validate, right? So this is how easily we can configure the routes on specific product. So it will reduce your lot of manual work. So I hope this video will helpful to you to configure here this particular routes, and it will automatically create purchase order for product which don't have stock on hand, right? I hope this video will helpful to you. Thank you very